The pain you feel today is the strength you will feel tomorrow. Dear friends, in this video, I will cover employment newspaper of 15 to 21 May 2021, third week of May 2021. Dear friends, I am Mahinder Singh. I welcome all of you to my official YouTube channel, Government Naukri Latest News. Dear friends, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel so that every week you will get employment newspaper in English as well as Hindi, and also GK series, one-liner series, and top 100 most important question of monthly. Let's start the employment newspaper in details. Employment news, New Delhi, 15 to 21st May 2021. Entrepreneurship, development and employment generation in livestock farming by Dr. Rajesh Kumar. Careers in Media Management, Nidhi Prasad. Careers in Media Management continue from page number 1. Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs, Directorate General Border Security Force walk-in interview in BSF for specialist doctor and general duty medical officers. Post name, specialist in medicine, surgical, gynec and obstetric, radiologist, psychiatrist, pathologist and anesthetist. General duty medical officers. Vacancy are 27 and 62 respectively. National Institute of Design, Haryana. Recruitment of non-teaching position. Name of the post, Senior Superintendent Level 7, Assistant Administrative Officer Level 7, Senior Assistant Librarian Level 7, Superintendent Level 6, Design Instructor and Technical Instructor Level 6, Senior Assistant Level 6, Senior Library, Senior Assistant Admin and Studio, Supervisor Electrical, Technical Assistant Level 5, Assistant Accounts Adam or Library Level 4. Last date of application 19 July 2021. Chennai Metro Rail Limited, employment notice number 02/2021. Name of the post, General Manager Construction, Additional General Manager Safety, Additional General Manager Legal, Additional General Manager QA/DC or Deputy General Manager Finance and Accounts. Last date of receipt application 4 June 2021. National Highway Authority of India, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India. National Highway Authority of India invites application for the 41 post for Deputy Manager Technical in level pay 10. Last date of receipt online application 28 May 2021 up to 6 p.m. Vacancy for Principal Bayesian Army Primary School BA PPS. Qualification postgraduate with NTT/B.Ed, minimum 3 years of teaching experience and 1 year of experience as a principal and adequate knowledge of computers. Last date of receipt before 22 May 2021. Walk-in interview. Jagat Guru Nanak Dev Punjab State Open University Patiala. Advertise number 03/2021. Online application are invited for the teaching and non-teaching post. Application received last date 19 May 2021. Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizers Limited. Detail of the post: Manager Finance, grade E4 grade. Post code number Finance E4042021. Last date of our online registration of application by candidate 27 May 2021. Institute of Human Behavior and Allied Science IHBAS recruitment notice dated 29 April 2021 for Finance Advisor and Chief Account Officer, Project Engineer, Superintending Engineer, Administrative Officer, Executive Engineer Electrical, Executive Engineer Civil, Assistant Administrative Officer, Assistant Director Horticulture, Assistant Engineer Electrical, Junior Engineer Electrical, Junior Engineer Civil, Section Officer Horticulture, Computer Assistant. National Institute of Biomedical Genomics recruitment notice, post of Professor Scientist G, vacancy 1. Cabinet Secretariat for the post of Junior Director of Accounts, level 12 of pay matrix number 1 post, New Delhi. Applications are to be forwarded Deputy Director of Accounts by post. This is the performer for sending application or biodata. ICAR National Research Center on Mithun. Walk-in interview on या online interview. ICAR NRC of Mithun, Medazophema, Nagaland invites application from eligible candidate through email for the post of young professional to YP2 purely on contractual basis. Essential qualification MSc Agriculture in LPM. Sardar Swan Singh National Institute of Bioenergy advertisement number 14/2020 R&D. Application are invited from eligible candidate for 9 posts of JRF, SRF and RA. Designation for Junior Research Fellow, Senior Research Fellow, Research Associate. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Filling up the post for Joint Advisor, Deputy Advisor in TRAI Regional Office at Bengaluru on deputation on foreign service terms. Joint Advisor या Deputy Advisor. Last date of receipt this application 17 May 2021. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy. Nominations are invited for one post for veterinary officer in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy. University Campus, Khandwala Road, UGC DAE Consortium for Scientific Research. Applications are invited for the post of Central Director 1 Scientist D1. Indian Institute of Foreign Trade invite application for faculty positions. Discipline Finance Professor 1, Assistant Professor 1. Discipline Marketing Professor 1. Discipline Information Technology Professor 1, Assistant Professor 1, Assistant Professor 2. Discipline in Quantitative Techniques Assistant Professor 1, Assistant Professor 2. Discipline in Trade, Operation and Logistics Professor 1, Assistant Professor 1 or Assistant Professor 1. National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, a Government of India undertaking. Name of the post: General Manager, Regional Office of NHIDCL, located Northeastern State, Andaman and Nicobar. Deputy General Manager, J&K, Manager T/P, Regional Office, Andaman Nicobar. Manager Finance, Regional Office, Leh Ladakh. Manager Legal, Regional Office, Andaman and Nicobar. Assistant Manager HR, J&K, Andaman. Junior Manager HR, Andaman, Northeastern State, Andaman Nicobar Island. Junior Manager Legal for Regional Office, Leh Ladakh. Junior Manager Rajbhasha, Headquarters NHIDCL. Eligible candidates who are willing to submit their application in the prescribed proforma Annexure A through proper channel by 31st May 2021, New Delhi. Annexure A. Artificial Limb Manufacturing Corporation of India, a Government of India undertaking, Miniratna Company, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Direct recruitment basis at ALI MCO headquarters at Kanpur for the post of Company Secretariat, postcode HR1, grade pay E3. Last date of receipt application in the corporation is 14 June 2021. Western Coalfields Limited, a subsidiary of Coal India Limited, wanted post and grade staff nurse trainees T and S grade C, unreserved 24, EWS 5, OBC 15, SC 8, ST 4. Odisha Maritime Academy, Joint Merchant Navy, July to December 2021, General Purpose Rating Course, July to December 2021. Last date for issued application 20 May 2021. Sainik School, Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. Vacancy notice. The Sainik School, Jhansi has invited the applications for vacancies for one post accountant regular, one female PEM PTI cum matron contractual, one general employee female Aya contractual, one counselor contractual. Last date of received application 18 June 2021. Recruitment of MTS, multitasking staff post in headquarter, recruiting John, Bangalore. Name of the post, multitasking staff. Number of vacancy 1 reserved, schedule caste. Advertisement for the post of member finance in Digital Communications Commission, Department of Telecommunication, Ministry of Communication for the one post member of finance. Applications should reach within 60 days from the date of application of this advertisement in Employment News. Vacancy circulation, Government of India, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Electronics Niketan. Subject, inviting application for filling up the post for Director General, Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC and Autonomous Society under me/TYE. National Water Development Agency, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Government of India, vacancy circulation for the post of Deputy Director Hydrology in level 11 of pay matrix 67,000 to 700. Last date of application to issue 45 days from the date of application of this advertisement in Employment News. Government of India, Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying. Important notice for Department of Animal Husbandry for extend the last date of receipt of application through proper channel for the post of Director CGS. National Judicial Academy, Bhopal. Employment notice. Name of the post: Assistant Account Officer, Assistant Accountant, Electrician. Last date of application to issue by 15 June 2021. Latest. Rajiv Gandhi National Aviation University, a central university under Ministry of Civil Aviation, Government of India. Employment notification for the post of Vice Chancellor and Finance Officer in Rajiv Gandhi National Aviation University, Uttar Pradesh. Last date of issue application 28 May 2021 by 1700 hours. Goa Shipyard Limited, shipbuilders, ship repairs and engineers. Unmatchable track record of execution and delivery for direct recruitment for the name of the post General Manager Projects, vacancy 1. Date of the last received 10 June 2021. Continued from the page number 1, Entrepreneurship Development. Indian Air Force, direct recruitment of Group C post, civilian post in Indian Air Force. Submission of the last date is application are eligible candidate hereby extended 45 days only the purpose of submission application. Indian Air Force, direct recruitment of Group C post civilian in extended by 45 days only for the purpose of a submission of application by the eligible candidate. News Digest. National. PM Modi and UK PM Boris Johnson hold a virtual summit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his UK counterpart Boris Johnson held a virtual summit on 4th May 2021. PM authorizes key decisions to boost availability of medical personnel to fight COVID-19. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on May 3, 2021 reviewed the growing need of adequate human resources for responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. Asiatic lions housed in Hyderabad Zoo infected with SARS-CoV-2 recovering well. Economic Digest. Government announces various relief measures for taxpayers under GST law. Telecom Department gives go-ahead for 5G technology and spectrum trials. International Digest. EAM S. Jaishankar virtually participate in G7 Foreign Ministers meeting. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar participated in the G7 Foreign Ministers meeting through the video conference on May 5, 2021. Congo declares end of Ebola outbreak. US begins final phase of Afghan pullout. Sports Digest. BCCI indefinitely suspend IPL 2021. Thisara Pereira announces retirement from international cricket. Mark Selby becomes world championship of fourth time in snookers. This all about the new digest. Nothing is impossible. The world itself says I am possible. So friends, this was the employment news of entire week.